Good morning, students. Myself Kamal Nath. I welcome you all in the class of grammar. Student, we are going to start a new chapter, that is adverbs. It's a new topic, and this is the first video of this grammar chapter. We will learn adverbs, kinds of adverbs, and all related here examples, so that you can understand it, what is in adverb chapter and how this can help you in improving your language. So let us see first here the word adverb. What is an adverb? This is what here very important first. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective and another adverb in the sentence. First definition of the topic is very essential, and let us once more see. An adverb is a word that describes or an adverb tells something about a verb, an adjective and another adverb in the sentence. It is describing three things: adverb, adjective and another adverb in the sentence. You see the example here. He writes slowly. In this sentence, here slowly in this sentence is adverb. What does it describe? The action word write. If you ask a question here, how does he write? Answer will be slowly. So here slowly word describes about the action, how the action is done slowly. So here slowly is an adverb in this sentence. She is very intelligent. Another example is she is very intelligent. In this sentence, you see, if you ask a question, how intelligent she is, answer will be very, very intelligent. So very is here adverb that is describing or telling adjective, that is intelligent. Intelligent in this sentence is adjective, you all know, and very is used before intelligent to describe how here intelligent, how much intelligent she is, very intelligent. So here this very is describing an adjective, as in the definition I told you. In the first sentence, slowly adjective describes a verb, that is action word. In second sentence, very tells something about adjective, that is intelligent. And in the next sentence, Madan speaks very politely. Here you see in this sentence, politely is adverb. Ly is here in polite word, that makes it adverb. Madan speaks very politely. Here before politely is very, and politely is adverb. In this sentence, very adverb is describing another adverb, and that is politely. So as I said in the definition, an adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective and another adverb in the sentence, and that is what these three examples are very clearly they are justifying that definition. In the first sentence, adverb slowly tells about verb. In the second sentence, very tells about an adjective, that is intelligent. And in the third sentence, very describes politely, and that is itself an adverb. So in the third sentence, one adverb describes another adverb. Very clear? Let's proceed now and see here kinds of adverbs. How many kinds are there of adverbs? So in the book you have here some few kinds here. There are here almost 10 kinds of adverbs, and I am just giving you details of all that kinds so that you can know them all. First is adverbs of manner. There are 10 kinds of adverbs. We will just learn some kinds in this video and some other kinds in another video, and some more here in the last video. So first let us see adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how an action happens, how an action takes place. For example, she entered the room silently. How did she enter the room? Silently. It is telling about the manner. How the action is taking here place silently. The so silently word is here manner. He played well. Here well, it is not highlighted. Well is not highlighted, but it should be highlighted. By mistake it was not. So well is here adverb in this sentence, and that is adverbs of manner. She was badly hurt in the accident. Here badly is here adverb in this sentence, that shows manner. Let us see now second adverb. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when an action happens, as it is already time, adverbs of time. So adverbs of manner in the sentence tells us, informs us when an action takes place. For example, the train came late. The word late tells here about time. Okay, the train was late. They left an hour ago. Here ago is also telling about time. Come soon. Here this soon also tells here time. Or you may give several examples. Okay, several examples like such that will indicate time. Next one, third adverb is adverbs of place. As it was adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, it is adverbs of place. As the name is here place, so adverbs of manner tells us about the place, okay, where the action takes place. Let us see. Adverbs of manner tell us where an action happens. Where an action happens, that is place. Examples are given. Come here. Here, that shows the place. Come here. They work there. So here in the first sentence, there in the second sentence are adverbs. He climbed up. All these highlighted words are okay. The book is on the table. So on the table, that is what adverbs of place. So you can just justify that one very well, all that. Let us see here. Next, fourth one, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often, means how frequently an action happens. How many times, how repeatedly anything happens, any action happens. That is what frequency, adverbs of frequency. For example, how often do you meet each other? How often? Clearly, this often word that is highlighted in this sentence, marked, that is adverbs of frequency, confirms us. Someone is being asked about here repetition of that here action, meeting action. How often do you meet each other? Next one is, she always helps me. Always, it is some regular verb, and that's why in this sentence always that is highlighted is adverbs of frequency. He rarely watches television. Almost here never. Rarely means what here? Never or almost here, just here very less. Okay, very less chances. So in these sentences, often, always, rarely are adverbs of frequency. In this way, today's that the fifth one is adverbs of degree. That adverbs of degree tell us the level or extent to which a quality exists. Level or extent. Okay, how much? For example, he is too weak to walk. Here, his weakness is here described. Here, how weak? Too weak to walk. Means he is too weak that he cannot walk. That is what the meaning of this. He is almost always late. So again in this sentence, this almost tells about the degree. Okay, and that's why these highlighted words are adverbs of degree, extent, or level of something. It is quite dangerous. It is quite dangerous to take selfies on railway tracks. Quite dangerous means here very dangerous. And that's why these words to in first sentence, almost in second sentence, and quite tells here the degrees or levels. And that's why these are adverbs of degree. So these were just 5 adverbs that I have explained to you today, and we will have several examples in detail in the class, live class. So you write down all these definitions that I have written, and you please learn all these forever, and you set your own examples, write your own examples. In the next video I will come with some more here, just kinds of adverbs, and I will explain you. So thank you students very much. Thank you being with me.